Lance Reddick, The Wire and John Wick star, suddenly passes away at age 60. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Lance Reddick, a character actor who specialized in intense, icy, and possible sinister authority figures on TV and film, including The Wire, Fringe, and the John Wick franchise, has passed away at age 60 years old. Reddick passed away suddenly Friday morning, his publicist Moya Hansen said in a statement contributing his death to natural causes. A number of individuals have took to social media just in order to offer their condolences to his family and friends. Reddick earned a SAG Award nomination in 2021 as part of the ensemble for Regina King's film One Night in Miami. He played recurring roles on Intelligence and The American Horror Story. The Baltimore-born and raised Reddick was a Yale University drama student who graduated and enjoyed some success after school by landing guest role and recurring roles in CSI Miami and Law and Order Special Victims Unit. He also appeared in several movies including I Dreamed of Africa, The Siege and Great Expectations. It was on season 4 of The Oz playing a doomed undercover officer sent to prison who became an addict that Reddick had a career breakthrough. I was never interested in television. I always saw it as a means to an end, like so many actors. I was only interested in doing theater and film, but The Oz changed television. It was the beginning of HBO reign on quality edge artistic stuff that harkens back to great cinema of the 60s and 70s, he told the Associated Press in 2011. When the opportunity for us came up, I jumped and I read the pilot for The Wire. As a guy that never wanted to be on television, I realized that I had to be on this show. Reddick attended a prestigious Eastman School of Music where he studied classical composition and he played the piano. Reddick is survived by his wife Stephanie Reddick and children Yvonne Nicole Reddick and Christopher Reddick. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.